What's the number one rule in trading? Now, most new traders believe that the rule is to make as much money as humanly possible in a short window of time, because that's what's been sensationalized on Instagram and TikTok and all the social media channels. The reality is that is very far from the truth. Now, over the last 30 years, I've had the opportunity to work with thousands of traders, from those who are day one beginners, know nothing about the market, to those who are institutional traders who've spent 40 plus years on things like the CME, New York Stock Exchange, etc. What I've learned from everyone, including the very top of the level professional ones, that the number one rule in trading is learning how to lose professionally. Now, all of you are probably thinking, I'm gonna never lose in trading. I'll tell you, if someone tells you that they're not losing, they've never had a losing trade, they're lying. They have not traded at all, because everyone is going to take losses. I take them all the time. The key is I've learned how to lose professionally, and I keep those losses very small. So one trade doesn't really hurt my account much. Now, if I take a gigantic loss, that could erase my account, and all of a sudden I can't trade ever again. So one of the things we teach at Trading Academy in our core strategy class is really understanding the foundations of how to lose professionally. When we make a trade, we plan out our entry, our stop loss, and our price target, sometimes multiple targets depending on which asset class it is that we're trading or what the market is giving us. We also look at supply and demand zones to help us anticipate where things may go and where they may stop if they're starting to fall. Now, all of those variables are derived from price charts and help us manage our risk at all times. So for every single trade that we make, I need to know those variables, because as I plan my trade and put real money on the line, I need to know that I'm going to lose at maximum a specified amount of money that I have predetermined. Now, over the course of time, let's say over the course of 1 month, I might take 10 or 12 or 15 losing trades, but they're all going to be very small. And if I can have 10 or 15 or 20 trades that are winners that are much larger than my losses, then over time, my account should start to grow at a pretty nice trajectory. The reality is, though, most people don't focus on the losses because their eyes are so big with optimism about how much money they're going to make, they focus just on the winners. Well, that's like saying you're going to cross the street in England and just look one direction when you cross the street. You're most likely going to get hit by a car because it comes from the opposite direction. My parents taught me, when you cross that street, look both ways, and as you're about to take another step, look both ways again. They were great risk managers, and that's a lesson I've carried with me all the way through my adulthood. And as I progressed in trading over the years, risk management and learning how to lose like a professional has become, without a doubt, the number one key to trading.